Hello my friends, and welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new. In today's video I'm going to take you along as I do a refresh of my laundry room, do a little bit of organizing, a little bit of cleaning, and a little bit of decorating. So come along. So as you can see, my laundry room is in a bit of shambles and there's stuff everywhere, so I just need to get it all cleaned up and organized before I can make it all look pretty again. So I'm going to start off by emptying my dryer, and I wanted to show you this basket that I got. This is such an amazing basket. The size of it is phenomenal. It is lightweight, and you will see I can fit my whole dryer in it. It is from a company called Goodpick, and I just love the strong, sturdy build of it, especially these handles, and the basket itself is very lightweight. I will have their, you can find them on Amazon, but I will have their website linked down below, as well as a link to this basket, so you can check it out. It comes in many colors. It is an excellent price point, and like I said, it is such a good size basket. I can fit everything out of the dryer in it. I had the towels in it, so I was able to fit all of them in it, and I overpacked my dryer full of towels. And like I said, again, it's lightweight, so you don't have to worry about the basket itself being heavy and then the content of the dryer being heavy as well. You just have to worry about the content of the dryer, so you don't have any extra weight when you're carrying it. I like because I can fold it and put it away, because in this small laundry room, that's what I need. I will also going to be using later on in my decorating part of this video a smaller basket that I did get from them before, so make sure you check that out as well. So now that the dryer is empty, I'm going to remove the rest of the stuff from the floor, as well as the counter on top of my washer and dryer. And my son often uses the laundry room as his changing room and leaves all the stuff he takes off on the ground. So sometimes I have to figure out whether it's clean or dirty what's on the floor. This basket up top has all of our extra socks, or the socks that we don't have pairs for, but I have a feeling that someone who was emptying the dryer didn't feel like pairing the socks and was just putting all the socks in this basket. So I'm gonna have to take that over and sort it out and see if there are all pairs in there or what's in there, but I won't bore you with that. And now I'm going to wipe this down, and I just wanted to give you a bit of a history of this laundry room. So last year, around this time, maybe in March, I would have to double check the date, but I had redid this laundry room. I painted it, did the backsplash, and then did this countertop. This is a tabletop from IKEA, which was stainless steel, but it was looking really rough. So I had dressed it up in the shelf liner from the dollar store that looked like wood. And I have to say, it's been, like I said, almost a year, and this thing has held up so well. We use this this laundry room as our dishwashing area for several months while my kitchen was being redone, and I have no issues with it whatsoever. thought I was doing more of a lipstick on a pig type of project, and I was gonna have to replace it down the road, but I'm pretty pleased that, like I said, a year later it's still looking pretty good. There's just a couple scratches, but nothing major whatsoever. It's not peeling off or anything. And now I'm going to do a little bit of decorating, and this is another basket from the same company, the little one, and I just put my diffuser and this little greenery pot, and I'm going to pair it up with this laundry sign. Now I'm using these spinning trays. I've had these on hand for a while. I did this last time when I was redoing my laundry room, and it worked really well. Somebody had said that they were gonna bounce off the counter because of the spinning of the machine will make it vibrate too much, but I haven't had a problem. Now part of my counter is sitting on some wood that's attached to the wall, so maybe that's why, but I haven't had a problem. I made these labels myself. I did the design is from Etsy, and then I just printed them, and they were editable labels, so I just edited them to suit my needs. These bottles have worked out so well with the laundry detergent because now I don't have any drippings on the counter or any of that stuff because I buy those big giant laundry buckets. So I really like these, and I had some on hand, and I did buy some at Dollarama. And I have my scented laundry detergent that I use for most of my clothing. I just buy whatever's on sale usually, and then fabric softener, I just use it for towels and for curtains if I want them to just smell really good. And then I also have a sports laundry detergent, which was such a game changer for my workout clothes. I wasn't able to find one that did not smell bad when I washed the clothes. I just did not, maybe it was just me, I didn't like the smell, but and I found this one at a running room, so it works really well. And then I also have unscented soap there as well. And as you can see, I half the size of half that basket by pairing the socks together, and I still have half a basket that I have to figure out where the rest of the socks went. I'm going to clean my sink now. This is a sink that, like our utility sink, we wash our paint trays, paint brushes, anything that needs to be washed that's kind of really dirty. We wash it here, like shoes, muddy shoes or whatnot. So I'm going to use the Comment to clean it out. It does have bleach just to disinfect it a little bit. And then I'm also going to add a soap bottle here because I found that I'm always needing dish soap for something here, and I didn't have one, so I had these copper bottles on hand, so I ended up just adding some Dawn dish soap that I bought at Costco for a big jug of it that I used in my kitchen as well, so I'm just going to add that here. So every few months, I also like to empty this little hose. It has a really stinky water in it. The smell of the water always reminds me of an area in Epcot right by the Coke store. There's always some really strong water smell, sewagey water smell there, and that's what this smell reminds me. Let me know if you know what I'm talking about. And so you want to do this often. I think this does prevent the smell of the washer as well, alongside of leaving it open when it's not in use. That prevents the smell too. But so yeah, if you have something like this in the bottom of your washer, you might want to empty that. And then there's a little thing that I'm going to pull out. And if you have pants that shed, I feel like all the hair gets stuck in there. It's like your drain in your shower with your hair. This is what I find happens in this washing machine whenever I wash their beds, or even just anything from blankets, anything that they came into contact. There's all the hair collects on this little thing. So I wanted to take that out and clean it up, wash it, and put it back together.
I know that I haven't been who I was. I am supposed to be the one you can trust. I feel so useless 'cause I let you down. I hope there's some way I can make it alright, 'cause I know that you deserve much more than this. If you give me one more chance, I swear I'll try my best to always be there. And I want you to know that I'm lost without you. I'm known without you. I hope I can show what you mean to me, 'cause I don't know what to do if you go. Ooh, I just don't know what to do if you go.
Also like to clean out the soap dispenser drawer, especially where I put the fabric softener. It does get a little bit more gooky than any other area. So using my Dawn soap that I just added to my sink, I'm going to give this a wash, clean it up, and put it back in.
I've been so selfish and made you believe that you're not good enough, but you're all I need. I take you places that you've never been. I would give you the world if you let me try again. Yeah, just give me one more chance. I swear I'll try my best to always be there. And I want you to know that I'm lost without you. I'm known without you. I hope I can show what you mean to me, 'cause I don't know what to do if you go. Ooh, I just don't know what to do if you
I did vacuum the whole area, but I just wanted to show you all the dust that sits on my window because of the dryer blowing out. So I just cleaned that up as well, and then I also vacuumed the floor and all the little crevices and the tiled baseboards. And once I was done vacuuming, I ended up washing the whole floor just to give it a fresh start, a clean start.
I swear I'll try my best to always be there. And I want you to know that I'm
time to put things back together, and I am adding all my stuff back here. There's vacuums and then my little bathroom cleaner brush, because they charge over here, so I want to keep them here. I added my little carpet thing, rug, and then I was quite pleased that this basket did fit between my laundry tub and my washing machine, so it's always readily here when I need it, and it's out of the way because, as you can see, my laundry room is quite small.
We don't belong here. I want more out of life. The longer we stay here, our boots get stuck in the mud. Let's pack up a life, baby, and call it
Well, it's all done. I think it looks nice and fresh, inviting to do laundry, if there's such a thing. And so if you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you're not subscribed. And I will see you all in my next video. Thanks so much for watching.
'Cause the longer we stay here, the harder the fight. I said, hey, yeah, 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 call it a start by leaving behind what's breaking our hearts. I said, hey.